Well, first tonight, the governor visited a KZoo vaccine clinic today about 24 hours after the state crossed 55% of residents with their very first shot.
Fox 17's Lauren Coomer spoke to her about the continued vaccination efforts and what's next for the state's reopening plan. Lauren.
Yeah, Doug, Ryan, as the state has finally hit that 55%, the rollout on Governor Whitmer's reopening plan is set to start in under 2 weeks. But to go any further into the plan, Governor Whitmer says it's going to take mutual effort.
Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Yeah. We all want to resume the things that we've been missing out on for a long part of our experience with COVID.
Moderna clinics each week. We have Pfizer clinics.
It's the first step in Governor Gretchen Whitmer's plan to reopen the state of Michigan.
That's where people come in.
With 55% of vaccinated individuals throughout the state, workplaces are now preparing to bring their employees back to the office in just under 2 weeks.
Employers are very cognizant of the fact that they want to make sure that as they re-engaged, many of them are going to do so incrementally. Many are learning lessons from what worked over the last 15 months and how to ensure the confidence of their workforce. So each employer's going to handle a little bit differently. So nice to meet you. Is this your first shot or your second one? Your second. All right, good.
That also includes working with the Michigan Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or MIOSHA, to set guide rails as people go back.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Governor Whitmer saying the benchmark was reached as the state was able to roll in some of the federal information of those Michigan residents who were vaccinated in other states.
As there are adjustments to be made, we'll make sure that you know why a number might have jumped up a little bit or not as much as we might have expected. We'll be sharing that so that you're able to understand what's going on. We want to count everyone in Michigan.
What's nice about this building is this.
In Kalamazoo County, the health officer saying they're vaccinating about 4,000 people at the Expo Center each week.
Right now we're probably around 57, 58%, so we're I think in a good spot.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Even though some areas in the state are ahead in vaccination rates, Governor Whitmer saying reopening needs to stay consistent.
Good luck with the rest of medicals. Thank you. All right.
For example, Leelanau County in northern Michigan already reaching 70% of vaccinated individuals.
To declare one part of northern Michigan, for instance, a place where we can drop our guard, it might draw people from all over the state, and I think that's why we still need to have that statewide view.
Governor Whitmer encourages anyone who may have gotten their vaccine out of state to contact their local health department to make sure they're being counted in Michigan's vaccination rates. The next step in the reopening plan is 60%, where indoor capacity would be increased at certain places and the curfew on bars and restaurants would be lifted. Reporting live in Kalamazoo, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.